If you dislike counting calories, ketogenic diet may be a good option for you. You can eliminate certain foods and don't have to track calories. The ketogenic or keto diet is a very low-carb, high-fat eating pattern that has skyrocketed in popularity in recent years. This video reviews the keto diet's potential to aid weight loss. What is a ketogenic diet? A ketogenic diet is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbs. As carbs are reduced and fat is increased, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. Then the body starts turning fat into ketones, which are molecules that can supply energy for the brain. After a few days or weeks on such a diet, the body and brain become very efficient at burning fat and ketones for fuel instead of carbs. Staple foods on a ketogenic diet include meat, fish, butter, eggs, cheese, heavy cream, oils, nuts, avocados, seeds, and low-carb vegetables. In contrast, nearly all carb sources are eliminated, including grains, rice, beans, potatoes, sweets, milk, cereals, and fruits, and some higher carb vegetables. If you dislike counting calories, the data suggests a ketogenic diet may be a good option for you. You can eliminate certain foods and don't have to track calories. If you follow the keto diet, you still have to check labels and keep track of your total grams of carbs every day, which requires paying attention to food choices. How do ketogenic diets promote weight loss? Higher protein intake. Some ketogenic diets lead to an increase in protein intake, which has many weight loss benefits. Gluconeogenesis. Your body converts fat and protein into carbs for fuel. This process may burn many additional calories each day. Appetite suppressant. Ketogenic diets may help you feel full. This is supported by positive changes in hunger hormones, including leptin and ghrelin. Improved insulin sensitivity. Ketogenic diets can drastically improve insulin sensitivity, which can help improve fuel utilization and metabolism. Decreased fat storage. Some research suggests that ketogenic diets may reduce lipogenesis, the process of converting sugar into fat. This is because excess carbs are stored as fat. When there is a minimal intake of carbs, fat is used for energy. Increased fat burning. Several studies have found that ketogenic diets may slightly increase the amount of fat you burn during rest, daily activity, and exercise, although more research is needed. In these ways, a ketogenic diet can be effective at helping you lose weight. However, note that it is important to ensure that you're meeting your calorie needs when following the ketogenic diet. Cutting calories too much can slow your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. Now, how to follow a ketogenic diet? If you want to try a ketogenic diet, follow these basic rules. Number 1. Eliminate carbs. Check food labels and aim for 20 to 50 grams of carbs or fewer per day. Number 2. Stock up on staples. Buy meat, cheese, whole eggs, nuts, oils, avocados, oily fish, as these are now staples in your diet. Number 3. Eat your veggies. Fat sources are high in calories, so base each meal on low-carb veggies to fill your plate and help keep you feeling full. Veggies will also provide fiber, which you'll no longer be getting from the whole grains, beans, or legumes. Number 4. Experiment. A ketogenic diet can still be interesting and tasty. You can even make ketogenic pasta, bread, muffins, brownies, pudding, ice cream, etc. Number 5. Build a plan. It can be hard to find low-carb meals for when you are on the go. As with any diet, it's important to have a plan and go-to snack or meals. Number 6. Find what you love. Experiment until you find the ultimate keto diet for you. Number 7. Track progress. Take photos, measurements, and monitor your weight every 3 to 4 weeks. If progress stops, re-examine your daily intake. Make sure you are getting enough vegetables at every meal and keeping portion sizes moderate. Number 8. Replace fluids. Make sure you're drinking enough water and getting proper amounts of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Number 9, and the last one, be consistent. There is no shortcut to success. With any diet, consistency is the most important factor. You may also wish to monitor ketone levels in either urine or blood, since these let you know whether you're keeping carb levels down sufficiently to achieve ketosis. Before switching to this type of diet or using any type of supplement, ask your doctor or a dietitian for advice. Should you try a ketogenic diet? No single diet is suitable for everyone, especially since individual metabolism, genes, body types, lifestyles, taste buds, and personal preferences differ. There may also be some negative effects. When you first start a diet, you may experience flu-like symptoms known as keto flu. This may include poor energy and mental function, increased hunger, sleep issues, nausea, digestive discomfort, and poor exercise performance. There is also a risk of dehydration, so you need to drink plenty of fluids, especially water, while following these diets. Always speak to a doctor before starting a ketogenic diet to ensure that it's safe and suitable for you. A ketogenic diet can also be hard to stick to. If you can't follow it, but still like the idea of low-carb diet, then carb cycling or standard low-carb diet may be a better option for you. Do you have any experience with the keto diet? Share with us in comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.